Mausekel gi lokruok chal kor lwasi ahinya to e gwengewa. Jatend migao mar tuke kod kit oganda Ababu Namwamba osingo ni migao mare dhi keto omenda mar jiwo talanta mag jopuonjre mag mbalariany. Ababu wacho ni kochakore hig omenda manyien, omenda idhi chak keto tenge ne chenrogo. Ababu loso e mbalariany ma Ramogi Oginga Odinga manitiere kaunti ma Siaya kama noyuoro e nyasi mar loro ayanga piem mag nyiso talanta e kind jopuonjre. Bende okoni chenro mag nyiso lony kod pok mopogore opogore mag rowere idhi med rango motegno e migao neno.
We commit to work with stakeholders to provide incentives, capacity building, and other support for the creative industry. The government is aware of the financial challenges faced by the association in management of artistic activities and request by the association for budgetary support from the requisite State Department. We commit to provide financial support and incentives for artistic activities through the State Department of University Education and Research, working together with the new Department of the Arts.
Most universities are going through financial challenges, problems of capitation, yet this is a very important platform for showcasing talent. So we believe that the financing challenges will be overcome through the support of the ministry and other corporate stakeholders.
Kwa hivyo tunawakaribisha wananchi wote waje wajitokeze, hasa wakati kama huu ambapo watu wako na stress nyingi, waje wajifurahike, angalau ucheke kidogo, uzidi kupata afya. Kicheko pia ni afya.